Exercise 8B, question number 1. Find the value of each of the following. Question number 1A, increase 60 by 35%. So how can we solve it? 1A, increase 60. So we'll increase 60 by 35%. So 60 plus 35% of 60. Actually 60 is the original value and 35% of 60 is the increased value. So we'll get 60 plus 35% means 35 by 100 multiplied by 60. Okay. So 60 plus, we need to cancel. So we can cancel 0 and 0. 2, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35 and 6 by 2 is 3. 3 7s are 21. So 60 plus 21 will be 81. Then similarly, number B, increase 28 by 125%. So we will increase 28 by 125%. So 28 plus 125% of 28. So 28 plus 125% means actually 125 by 100 multiplied by 28. Now we need to cancel. 125 by 25 is 5. 100 by 25 is 4. Then 28 by 4 will be 7. So 28 plus 5 7 is 35. So what will you get? 8 plus 5 13. We have 1. 4 plus 2 6. 63. Now number C. Number C says decrease. Decrease 120 by 45%. So 120 minus 45% of 120. So what will you get? 120 minus 45% means 45 by 100 multiplied by 120. Now we need to cancel. We can easily cancel 0 and 0. Then 5 2s are 5 9s are 12 by 2 is 6. So we'll get 120 minus 6 9s are 54. Now 10 minus 4 is 6. We have 1. So 66. Simple. Number D. Number D says decrease 216 by 37 whole 1 by 2%. So 216 minus 37 whole 1 by 2% of 216. So what will you get? 216 minus 37 whole 1 by 2. That means 237 ja 74 plus 1, that is 75. 75. Percent means divided by 100. Of means into 216. So 216 minus, we need to cancel it. At first we will cancel 75 and 100 both by 25. So 25 3s are 25 4s are. Then 216 by 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 4s are 16. 54 by 2 is 27. Now 3 7s are 21. We have 2. 3 to the 6 plus 2 8. 81. Now subtract. 6 minus 1 is 5. 8 19 11. So 3 and 2 minus 1 1. 135. Okay, now question number 2. Question number 2A, 20% of a number is 17. So find the number. So how can you solve it? 2A. So 20% of a number. So always we will say let the number be x. Let the number be x. Okay. Let the number be x. So the question says, according to the question, we can write 20% of a number. That means 20% of x equal to 17. Okay. Now we need to solve it. So 20% of x equal to 17. Then we can write 20x by 100 equal to 17. 100 by 20 is 5. So the value of x will be 5 into 17, that is 85. Similarly, if I want to solve number B, look, number B, 175% of a number. So again, let the number be x. So 175% of x equal to 49. Now 175% means 175 by 100 equal to 49. Now 175 and 100 both can be divisible by 25. So 25 7s are 25 4s are. Then what will be the value of x? X will be 49 multiplied by 4 by 7. 7 7s are 49. So 7 4s are 20. So the number will be 28. Now number 6. Number 6 says the result of a number when increased by 15% is 161. That means the result of a number, that means original number, we need to find it out. So when the question asks to find out the original number, so a number, which one will be increased? So again, we'll write this C and D in this way. A number x, so it will be increased by 15%. So 15% of x. X original value, 15% of x increased value equal to 161. Now solve. Now x plus 15% means 15 by 100 equal to 161. Now 100 is our LCM. So we can say 100 plus 15, 115 x equal to 161. Then what will be the value of x? X will be 161 into 100 by 115. Now 115 and 100 both can be divisible by 5. So 5 20s are, and here 5 23s are. Then 161 is divisible by 23, that will be 7. Then the value of x will be 7 20s are 140. Now question number D. Question number D says the result of a number, that means x, when decreased by 20%. So x minus 20% of x equal to 192. Now we need to solve. So x minus 20% of x means 20x by 100 equal to 192. So 100 is the LCM. Then 100 minus 20 will be 80x equal to 192. Then what will be the value of x? X will be 192 into 100 by 80. Now we need to cancel. Suppose we can easily cancel 0 and 0. Then 2 4s are 2 5s are. Then 4. 4 4s are 16, 32, 4 8s are 32. Now multiply. 48 into 5. 5 8s are 40. We have 4. 5 4s are 20 plus 4, 20. 2 4 2. Then